Hello everyone, and thank you again for joining my channel, The Retired Guy. Today's another cool adventure. Short one, but should be fun. Mia and I are going to go see the fireworks. The Limi Lake Casino fireworks. They're actually at our marina, so it'll be really interesting to see. We're also going to do a barbecue, just my wife and I. There's a barbecue there, should be really fun. And so we just needed buns, and my beautiful wife just went to get some buns at Maxi, so follow us along, should be fun. On the boat. We're gonna go do a small, just a small tour, maybe half an hour, 45 minutes, and then let's come back, go for a drink. There's a restaurant nearby. And then we're gonna make supper. We got burgers and everything on the barbecue. It should be pretty cool. And then we're gonna watch the fireworks, sitting really comfortably in front of the boat here. Other than that, go home tonight. Nice little afternoon. Here's lovely Mia. We're just gonna enjoy a nice evening. Our little marina. Falls, always pretty. Pass here a couple times a week, not more. And I always enjoy it. It's gonna be a busy evening. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 boats right there in front of me. They're all going to the park to see the fireworks. We're going to try to go have a drink on this little terrace. Never been there before. Maison des Auteurs. So it didn't work out, unfortunately. The terrace is completely full, so we're going to go and cook our barbecue right away. Nice and hot. Yes, sir. Homemade. Nice. This will be our viewing spot of the fireworks. There should be right over there somewhere. Here's my wife with her wine. And this is where I will sit. Oh. Geez, how nice is that? Unfortunately, we gotta wait about an hour. That's alright. Just relax. There's Wi-Fi here too, so that's pretty cool. Cute wife waiting.